Should I be worried about freezing rain causing issues with my roof and gutters? Absolutely. Hope you're doing well. My name's John Elliott, owner of Jackson Roofing and Gutters LLC. We are a third generation company in the heart of the Triangle with over 4 decades in business. And let me tell you what, if you're not concerned about freezing rain giving you slack on your roof that you've slacked off on, you are wrong. If you have a gutter that's overflowing with debris, if you have a gutter that's improperly sloped, like this one here, or a downspout that's too small, like this one here, you can experience significant overflow and ice damming up the eave of your roof. It does happen. It seems unnatural, but trust me, it's a big problem. Now, if you have a roof that's over 15 years of age, like this one here, more than 30% of homeowners have underlying issues that they're not aware of. Water gets into those cracks and crevices, freezes, thaws, refreezes during this process, can crack those shingles and cause a disaster that you are not prepared for. So if you have not had your roofing and gutters inspected, give your local expert a call. And of course, if you want the truth about your roof, call Jackson Roofing and Gutters.